Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted files from Dropbox on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open any web browser. In this tutorial, I'm using Safari, but you can use any browser you prefer. This method works through the Dropbox website. Now tap the search bar and type dropbox.com. After entering the website address, tap the search or go button on your keyboard to open the Dropbox website. Once the Dropbox website opens, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. If you're already signed in, you can continue directly to the next step. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Dropbox dashboard. Locate the settings icon next to the All Files section and tap on it to open more options. Now you'll see several options on your screen. Tap Folder Settings to access additional file management options. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Deleted Files option. Tap it to view all the files that have recently been deleted from your Dropbox account. Browse through your deleted files and find the one you want to restore. Tap the three-dot menu beside that file to open More Actions. Finally, tap the Restore option from the menu. Your deleted file will be recovered and returned to its original location in your Dropbox account. And that's how you can easily recover deleted files from Dropbox on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.